Hi, good morning YouTubers. Thanks for watching this video. I want to do this video is based on two things. The first one is obviously silver. Well, actually both segments of this video is about silver. The first segment is some silver news. Now, I get an email alert. I've subscribed to a guy's mailing list, and I get emails about what's been going on in Silverland over the past week. And I got an email. I think it was the beginning of the week, and it basically said J.P. Morgan admits guilt, and it also goes on to say something along the lines of they admit shortages, and they want to buy back silver from people. Now, obviously, that's not probably the exact words that it used, but what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description bar so you can read it. It does go on to say that this information, if they, their shorts and everything, it could take a long time before it kind of catches up to them. Now, obviously, I don't quite understand that because I'm sort of new to all this, but I'll try and explain it. What I can remember but it says it could take years or decades for this to actually finally catch up with them. And it does go on to say that there was a group or a company or a person, I don't know who it was now, and again I can't remember his name, but it's sort of something along the lines of Barack. That's not Barack Obama, but it's Barack or something like that. And they basically admitted, or it says in the email that they admitted gold shorts. I don't know actually when it was, but they admitted it, and it took a long time before it sort of caught up with them. But it was an interesting kind of a read. I mean, the thing with me is I'll read the first or the most important bits, and then I'll get bored with the email, and I'll think, yeah, okay, I'll read later. But yeah, so that was quite an interesting, or what I read was kind of interesting. But like I said, I don't know how much truth there is into these newsletters. So, as I said, I'll put a link into the description bar, which is obviously down below here. And obviously click on that and you can read it, and any video responses or any comments would be great. I mean, as I said, I would upload any information that I come across and share it with everybody, because obviously I'm not that clued up in this kind of market, and obviously there's a lot of people that have been in this market for some time, so obviously the truth is out there, and obviously I want the truth, and obviously not sort of emails that just want you to read on and then get diverted to their shop and they're selling silver, which I think a lot of it is. But anyway, like I said, it's the link's in the description bar, so obviously click on that. The other thing I want to talk about is the trading on the commodities. I came across a website, and again I'll put the link in the description bar, but I can't remember it off the top of my head. But it's something along the lines of hytrading.webstarts.com, and that basically gives you a little intro to gold mainly. And there's a nice little video on there as well. But you sign up, and it's something that I never thought that I would do. And it was like silver and gold, really. I mean, silver and gold never entered into my head about investing in it until I saw all these cash for golds on the telly, and I sort of sat there and thought, why are they doing it? And it wasn't until I started doing a little bit of digging, research, YouTube, Google, whatever, and talking to people, was when I started finding out a lot about the manipulation and stuff that goes on. And again, it was like this HY trade. Never thought about it, and I come across it, and it does look a little bit kind of scary when you see it, especially if you don't know what you're doing. But luckily, there's like 24 hours sort of support and help and whatnot. And you also get demo credits as well, which is quite good, so you can kind of practice before you jump in with your own money. But what I've been doing is, as I said, I looked at this sort of the beginning of the summer, so it was a while ago, and I thought, well, I don't know, what should I do? I was humming and hawing, because obviously you're a bit worried about stuff that you don't understood. But once I sort of asked them questions, and I emailed them, and they've got online live support. So once you set up an account with them, even though you don't sort of put any money into it, obviously once you've got your account, you can actually access and talk to them, like a sort of instant chat message thing that a bit like Facebook. You can chat to people on there sort of live, and they've got the same thing on there. And I sort of emailed them and I asked them questions, and I think they actually sent me an information sort of through the post. And once you kind of digested it and got the hang of it, it was quite easy to do. What I've been doing is actually trading silver and gold and all the rest of it. Not on huge amounts, but I haven't made thousands of pounds or dollars or whatever. It's just been it's small, because obviously I'm not that confident in it, and obviously still learning and whatnot. But it was what I've been doing is I think you sort of start trading on a Monday and that ends on a Friday, or I can't remember the exact days. But yeah, you trade. Yes, and it does go up and it does go down, but obviously once you get the hang of it and you know what you're doing, it's quite kind of it's good. And what I've been doing is, as I said, is I've been trading, and the money that I have been making, I've been taking out and buying physical. Now, obviously, you might be thinking, well, why don't you just buy physical? Which it is, but then my job, I'm not on a lot of money, so it's difficult to me to accumulate any. Well, I want to accumulate and quite a lot of silver, but obviously I can't do that with obviously finances and stuff, and obviously bills and kids and all the rest of it, birthdays and Christmases and all the rest of it. So this is what I've done, and it works. Well, it works for me anyway. I mean, I'm not saying that it works for everybody, but it's something that I have done, and yes, it works well. And I think if you just start off in a small way, just you sort of tread it a little bit, and just don't go wading in and go, yeah, I'm going to bung £1,000 in or whatever. It's good. It's something that I've been doing, as I said, and it's been working quite well. And I think with the way gold and silver is at the moment, it's going to go up in price. So you are going to put money in and stuff and just go up. So check it out. I mean, obviously it might not be for you, but it's something that I've been doing. Again, I can't go into too much detail with it because obviously I'm still learning as well. But I've basically done silver mainly, and it seems to be working. It's working well for me, and it's allowed me to go out and get more silver. I haven't actually got my silver here at the moment. It's not here, but again, just check it out. It's worth a shot, and it's like I said, you got demo credit, so you can practice. So that's pretty much it for the video. I'm sorry that I may have stuttered or lost my words a little bit, but I haven't really prepared. I haven't really sort of written anything down, so and I'm pretty new to all this video making lark, and so that's pretty much it. So thanks ever so much for watching. Subscribe, do what you want, but above all, comment and obviously video responses. Don't obviously send nasty comments because I ain't going to bother listening to you. It'll just be deleted. But any information on any more silver, what I've said about the silver, JP Morgan admits guilt, obviously send a video send a video response, send a comment in the description thing, and we'll see what happens. So all links will be put in the description bar. Check them out, see what you think, rate, comment, subscribe, and again, thanks to all the 14 subscribers that I've got. So we're getting there slowly, and that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot, and have yourself a good Christmas and a good New Year, and we'll see what 2011 brings. So until then, out.